Punctuality is not just about being on time, it is about respecting time. Punctuality is marked as success in person's life.
Thank you, Varna, for explaining. Vardha, do you know how we can be punctual?
No, Rishita, I don't know. Could you please explain?
For being punctual, we should not do last-minute requests for any work. We should time our routine activities in order to plan our schedule properly.
Thank you, Rishita, for explaining.
Now we would like to invite Darshika for thought of the day.
Thought of the day is punctuality is not just limited arriving at a place at right time. It is also about taking action at right time. I repeat, punctuality is not just limited arriving at a place at right time. It is also about taking action at right time. Thank you.